Welcome to the Mastercam 2021 Getting Started video. In this video, we will learn how to navigate the Mastercam graphical user interface. Here we have the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar contains a fully customizable set of functions that can be quickly accessed by the user. Here we have the Backstage area. This area allows you to manage files. You can insert information about files, start a new file, open an existing file, or merge files together. You can also save, convert, or print files from this area. It also contains links to the help functions and various Mastercam resources. You can also find the ability to configure and set the options for Mastercam. Up here, we have the ribbon tabs. The ribbon displays all of the commands available for a specific tab. Here we have the selection bar. This allows you to set the auto cursor modes and to switch between various selection methods. Over here, we have the quick mask buttons. These allow you to select all entities of a specific type or only entities of that type. If you right-click in the graphics window, you will find the right-click menu. The right-click menu allows quick access to functions such as zoom, graphics views, or recent functions used. A mini toolbar will appear, allowing you to quickly change attributes. Over here, we can find the Toolpath Manager, the Solids panel, panels to control planes and levels, as well as recent functions. Down here, we have the Scale. This shows you a scale of the object on screen, as well as which measurement system you're using. Down here, you can see the current WCS, construction plane, and tool plane selected. I will now demonstrate some simple commands in Mastercam. Select wireframe, and then select line endpoints. Click anywhere in the graphics window, and sketch a second endpoint anywhere on the screen. When you've entered a command, you can press OK, which will accept the command and close the function. Or you can select OK and create new operation, which confirms the settings of the entity or function you've just used and stays within the command. Click on the fast point icon and enter the coordinates 0, 0. The first endpoint will be created at the coordinates requested. Press the fast point icon again and enter the coordinates 2, 1 and press enter. Then press OK to exit the command. To make creating geometry easier, select View and make sure Show Grid is enabled. You can configure the grid by going to the Backstage area, selecting Configuration, expand Screen, and select Grid. You can change the spacing of the grid, the origin, whether the cursor will snap to grid locations, as well as the size of the grid. If you want to use a specific command but don't know where to find it, select the Home tab and click on Command Finder. Enter the command name that you want to use and then select it. Select the origin or this endpoint, and drag the mouse out. At this point, the entity is still active and can be modified. You can change a field value and press Enter, and the preview will automatically update. From the Home tab or the right-click menu, you can set various attributes. You can change point style, line style, and line width. You can also change the color for wireframe, solids, and surfaces. You can also toggle between 2D and 3D construction mode. In 2D mode, all geometry is created parallel to the current C-plane at the current system Z depth. In 3D mode, you can work freely in various Z depths, unconstrained by the current system Z depth and C-plane settings. In the Organize group, you can select the Z depth and the level. For Z depth, you can either enter the Z depth and press Enter, or you can click on the Z icon and select an entity on the screen to set the Z depth to match that entity. In Levels, you can change which main level you want to work with in the graphics window. To change the level, you can enter it and press Enter. Levels are an important organizational tool in Mastercam. By creating entities on different levels, you can quickly select all entities on a given level or hide them from view so they're not cluttering up the screen. Disabling visibility of a level does not delete the entities. When you change attributes, you should be aware that it will not change the attributes of existing entities. It will only change the attributes of entities created after the attributes were changed. To change the attribute of an existing entity, you must select it and then change the attribute. The Toolpaths Manager displays all the operations for the current part. You can sort, edit, regenerate, backplot, verify, and post any operations you have created. The toolpaths, solids, planes, and level managers can be hidden to gain more space in the graphics area. To do so, use Auto Hide to hide the panels. The panels will be hidden to the left or at the bottom. To unhide them, click on one of the operations panels. By default, Mastercam should be configured to use imperial measurements. To change it, click on Configuration, and under Current, click on it and select whether you want to use imperial or metric measurements. Then press OK. This concludes the Mastercam Getting Started video. More features will be explained as you move through the tutorial videos.